Hi everyone, a very good morning. So, in a passionless world, how do you expect me to speak very more? I'll speak very short and simple. And lot of the people asking and suggesting, tell something about how to develop the communication skill. We got a background of Tamil medium and we are struggling very hard to meet any interview because all languages, official languages, are becoming English. So what's all or what should we do so that we can attend any interview or we can sustain in any job? Likewise, there are so many messages in my comment box. So I plan to give or plan to publish this video exclusively for the one who is really striving hard to speak English. Let me say it's very easiest thing in the world. Very first, I will ask one question to you. Are you very fluent in your mother tongue? Are you very fluent in your mother tongue? Your flow in your mother tongue is good. Okay, that is very required. And second thing is, after you are so fluent in mother tongue, if I speak in English, can you understand my English? Or can you understand something in my English, the content? If anything can be understandable, can be spoken to. If I am speaking in Hindi, you cannot understand anything. If I am speaking in Telugu, you cannot understand anything. If I speak in some other Kalakayan language, Vistra, Vinga, in Bahubali, no, you cannot understand anything. But if I am speaking right now, no, you would understand something. You would understand something, no? Anything can be understandable, can be spoken to. Okay, this is the 2 point I wanted to stress. One is called if you are so fluent in mother tongue, if you are understanding what I am speaking right now, you can also speak English. Seriously, promisely I am telling. And take out this thought. What thought? English has to be learned. And English is an alien language. English is a foreign language. No, dear, no. If you belongs to street, if you belongs to area, if you belongs to state, if you belongs to India, then you cannot survive. Have broadest thinking. You belongs to universe. You belongs to Asian. You belongs to the whole world. Have broadest thought. English is not foreign language, dear, and English is not alien language, dear. English is a common language that everybody can understand. English is a common language. Hereafter you throw this thought from your mind that I should learn English because English has to be learned so that job will be getting. Take out this thought. Have this broader thought. If you want to connect with the whole global world, you must have English. Okay, have a broadest thinking. English is a common language. English is not a foreign language. It is not an alien language. English is a common language, very common language. Having this thought, you can win. Surely you can win. Okay, it's the first thing. Okay, and second thing, what I wanted to convey is called: do not join any training center. There is a spoken English center, no, to get trained the English, how to speak English fluently without grammar. I mean, without grammatical error. Likewise, so many institutions are coming forward, okay, and attracting you. Do not join, dear, in a training center. See, I will ask one question to you. Bicycling. If I ask you to stop your bicycling, okay, bicycling for the next 40 days, and I am again asking you to go for bicycling, will you bicycle? Yeah, you will bicycle. Okay, for the next 20 years, you stop bicycling, and after that I am asking you to go for bicycling, will you bicycle? Yeah, you will bicycle. And after 60 years, perhaps if we are alive, I am asking you to, after 60 years, from now until 60 years, I'm asking you to stop the bicycling. After 60 years, I'm asking you to bicycle. Will you bicycle? Yeah, dear, you will bicycle because if you learn self learning cannot be destroyed by anyone. Maybe your father may help, maybe your mother may help during the time of what to say, initial time of bicycling. Your sister may help, but in a certain point of time, your sister leaves the back hands, So you will bicycle, self learning, you will fall, you will have wound, you will have injury. Self learning cannot be destroyed by anyone, dear. Do not join in training institution. Self learn. When you learn self, no, it will not be destroyed by anyone. Commit mistake, otherwise commit suicide. Mistakes are the evidence of trying. Commit mistake, what assume in it, try, okay, that is very required. Self learning. Do not join any training center. And I tell you how to develop a communication skill. See, there is one thing, when you go for movie, especially the movie of comedy movie, after the comedy movie get over, you are coming out from the theater. For the next 2 hours, you become Sandanam and cracking all the jokes and making fun with someone. And when you go for the movie, stunt movie, okay, that movie is called maybe Mangata Ajit Sir movie. And after the movie, you do all the stunt in your bike for the next half an hour or 1 hour, like Ajit Sir in the background music, Yuvan Shankar Raja background music, or other stunt, what to say, very rugged movie like village movie, right? Parithiviran, Karthik Sir has acted in the movie, After the movie is over, the next 2 hours you become a Parithiviran, and you will take full meals in your hand. And when you watch the love movie, I take the movie best love movie 96. After the movie is over, next 1 hour you become Janu, and he become Ramachandran. If someone is calling you, hey Geeta, likewise someone is calling, you turn very slowly because you are Janu, After seeing the movie, you become Janu. Anything you can take, any movie, okay, love, stunt, and comedy, anything you can take. AV has some power, audio, video. Likewise, what is my first suggestion to develop communication skill is wear headset and hear great speakers speech. This is how I learn continuously. Sir, I'm hearing, sir. Am I doing continually? Continuous thing is very required. If you do so, it will be good. Hear the great speaker speech and what to say, movies, Hollywood movies, HBO, and watch subtitle. You see any movie, Tamil movie, and go for subtitle. And also you go for what? WWF, that is a wrestling program, no? Hear that English and cricket commentary. Those all things are inputting as lot. Okay, it is lively, exposure is very important. Put it into the environment. For example, when I am studying MBA, till become I am not good in English. But when I am studying MBA, I was stayed in the hostel where Nepal is there, Bhutan is there. My only communication is desperately no option. My only communication is English alone. So what does it matter? No environment. I should speak. Likewise, we create environment. In a family, in a home, you cannot create environment. But by wearing headset, hearing great speaker speech, you have an environment, right? Do it daily, you will naturally have the practice. Naturally, you will get the practice seriously. Practicing. Communication can be developed only by communicating each other. Speak with everyone. How do I speak with everyone, sir? First, start to read newspaper. When you read newspaper, you are started to reading the news, which means you are started to reading the news in English. No, you will develop seriously. Read English newspaper, and especially read story books that give so much of conjunctions and what to say, lively English speeches. Read so much of story books. Daily do it, and what to say, practice is very important. When you do again and again, again I'm saying, sir, I'm saying this all, sir, but am I doing regularly? Practice, what a beautiful word this is, no? Do it, it will come very naturally. For example, earlier you are not familiar with the newborn mobile, a bought mobile, no? Now you are so fluent in typing. This all how come? By practice. You are typing, no? By seeing that side, you are typing. What are you doing, dear? I am available here. You are typing, no? Mistakes are the evidence of trying. Commit mistake. That is highly required. What to say? See, illiterated, very ignorant, even for a rain. She has not crossed or she has not sheltered herself in a school that your amma, our amma, is speaking good English. Sorry pa. Electricity bill katiyacha, gas varala, tension agada. Our amma is speaking good English, ma'am. What are you talking about? Do it. Okay, that's very important. Again, I'm saying the point is very important. English is a common language and good in mother tongue. And what to say? Anything can be understandable, can be spoken to. And what did I say? Do not join in any training center. That's very required. Self-learning and AV power. And read newspaper, storybooks, practice Amma's role model. And how to speak effective in English, how to have a effective communication, that I will post next video in a next day. Okay, do this daily, you will have a very good English. Thank you, love you all, bye all.